Proper sample collection. Wash hands thoroughly and dry with paper towels. Apply gloves, apron, face mask, and safety goggles. Wipe down work surface with 10% bleach solution. Pour distilled water into a plastic cup. Place a 60 mm TSA plate and an unopened pack of sterile swabs on the workspace. Open the pack of sterile swabs from the opposite end of the applicators and carefully remove one swab. Dip the tip of the sterile swab into the beaker of distilled water. Gently press the moistened applicator against the inside of the beaker to remove excess water. Remove the swab and immediately swab the skin covering the inside of the elbow joint. While holding the swab containing the skin sample in the dominant hand, grasp the agar plate with the non-dominant hand and tilt the lid approximately 1 centimeter. Insert the swab into the opening and streak the surface of the agar with the swab. Remove the swab from the plate and immediately close the lid. Place the swab in a container of undiluted bleach. Store the agar plate, agar side up, in the incubation location. Allow the swab to soak in bleach for 2 hours prior to disposal.